Welcome, guys. I am back with another video tutorial series with another playlist of Android development. And in this Android development series, we are going to be developing a news app from scratch. So, in this series, we are going to cover a couple of topics that are so necessary for this. We are going to develop this app using the MVVM architecture. We are going to obviously use Kotlin as our programming language. We are going to use coroutines, retrofit, Jetpack navigation component in order to navigate between fragments and activities, view binding, we are also going to look at layout responsiveness for mobiles and tablets, and basically for larger screens and for mobiles. We'll also use Lottie animations to make our app look good. We'll use unit testing, ProGuard, some security best practices, and obviously product flavors. So these are like the most commonly used things in Android development. Uh, so uh, in this video tutorial series, we are going to use the um, conventional XML layout way of building an Android app. Maybe in the future, I'll create another playlist where we develop the same thing, or maybe you guys can give me an idea where I'll develop another app using Jetpack Compose. Uh, so in this layout, we are going to use XML layouts, the standard way of using constraint layouts and lots of other stuff. So since this is the introductory video, we are going to download some tools that we need in order to proceed with this series. These are basically the prerequisites that we need in order to go ahead and create this news app. First and foremost, we are going to download the Java JDK. You can basically download any version you want. Uh, I prefer JDK 11. You can also download Java JDK 17. So once you're gonna have to, once you are in this page, web page, you're gonna have to download this for Windows, or if you have a Mac OS, you can download using any of this uh, download links. So since I have Windows, I have already downloaded the JDK, so I'm not gonna go ahead and actually install JDK. So this is where what you need in order to download this. So while you are downloading this JDK, it will ask you if you need to add the Java home path environment variable. So make sure that you select that option. If you haven't, or by for any reason you encounter an error, you're gonna have to navigate into the search bar and write env. Once you write this, you're gonna see this edit the environment system variables. Open that and navigate into this environment variables page, and you're gonna have to verify if you have, where is it, this Java home environment variable already added. If you haven't already added this, you're gonna have to add this as well, because you might encounter some errors in the future. So you're gonna have to add this by clicking on new, write Java home as in variable name, and you have to write basically paste the path where your JDK is already installed. So you're gonna have to navigate to a folder where your Java JDK usually gets installed. So navigate into your C folder, into your program files, and whatever version that you have installed of Java JDK, you're gonna have to navigate into that folder and copy this path and add it over here. So since I have already added this, I'm not gonna actually do it again. Once you have done that, you're gonna have to also download the Android Studio. So once you are done with this, this Android Studio is automatically going to guide you through some steps that you need to perform in order to actually be able to use this IDE. So we have to download this IDE. This is a great IDE provided from Google itself. So once you're done with that, you're gonna have to open the Android Studio itself, and we have to download some SDK tools, some packages that are needed, that are essential for this. So we are gonna have to navigate into the SDK manager. This is the little icon that you see over here. You're going to have to navigate into SDK tools, and inside the SDK tools you're going to have to first and foremost you have to verify if you have the Android SDK tools installed. If not, you have to install this package. You don't need NDK CMake because that's needed when you have to integrate some C++ code inside your Android app. So you don't need this for now. You need an Android emulator hypervisor driver, SDK platform tools, and HAXM installer. These are like the essential things that you need in order to proceed making the news app. So this once you are done with this, you are good to go. So this basically we are done with this Android this basically introductory video. uh, so yeah, let me know if you encounter any errors. If you do, make sure to drop a comment, and I'll try to reply your basically I'll definitely reply to your comment. So yeah, in the next video tutorial series, we are going to talk about the dependencies that we need. Uh, Basically, we are going to add dependencies for MVVM, live data, view model, Firebase Crashlytics, Jetpack Navigation component, and basically every dependency that we need in order to proceed making this news app. So yeah, make sure to subscribe and like this video. And this is me signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.